Today, we are diving into a common question about mobile investing. Is the Spaceship application available and accessible on iOS devices? For anyone looking to manage their investments or superannuation on the go, having a reliable and accessible mobile application is essential. The great news is that the Spaceship app is indeed available for iOS. You can find the Spaceship investing app designed specifically for iPhone and iPad on the Apple App Store. This is the primary way Australian investors interact with their Spaceship Voyager and Spaceship Super accounts, providing a seamless mobile experience. The app is typically designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily track your portfolio performance, make new investments, set up recurring deposits, and monitor your superannuation account from your iPhone or iPad. As with most modern financial apps on iOS, it incorporates standard features like a clear interface and secure login methods to ensure a smooth investing journey right in the palm of your hand. To get the app, simply go to the App Store, search for Spaceship Investing App, and download it. Always check the official developer information to ensure you are downloading the correct application for secure financial management. Spaceship is focused on making investing straightforward, and its presence on the iOS platform is key to that accessibility for Apple users.